How to use a Rotahaler. Let's understand what is a Rotahaler. Rotahaler is a dry powder inhaler used for asthma, bronchitis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and other conditions. It is used to ease the muscles in the air passageways during spasms of difficulty breathing, chest tautness and wheezing. How to use a Rotahaler. Remove the Rotahaler inhalation device from its container and one Rota cap from the blister pack. Insert a Rota cap, transparent end first, into the raised square hole of the Rotahaler. Rotate the base of the Rotahaler in order to separate the two halves of the Rota cap. Hold the Rotahaler horizontally and turn the light-colored end backwards and forwards. Breathe out gently and then place the mouthpiece in your mouth and inhale slowly until your lungs are full. In case some powder remains, repeat this step. Remove the Rotahaler from your mouth. Hold your breath for 6 to 10 seconds. Open the Rotahaler and dispose the empty capsule and store your Rotahaler inhalation device. Rinse mouth with water. That's it for today. We shall be back with some more valuable insights. Stay tuned. Thank you.